Hi guys! In today's digital age, a strong and reliable Wi-Fi signal is essential for most households. However, many people are struggling with Wi-Fi or spotty Wi-Fi signal, which can be frustrating and limit the ability to use internet. So the good news is, there are actually many ways you can boost up your home Wi-Fi signal. So today in this video, we'll explore some tricks and tips to help you to improve your internet connection. And please like and subscribe our channel, FASTCABLING, because it really helps with our YouTube algorithm and make our life a whole lot easier. So why is a good Wi-Fi needed? Now, a strong Wi-Fi signal is important for fast and reliable internet access, and also adapting to the demands of an increasingly digital world. It allows for seamless communication, enhance your device functionality, and enable the full potential of varieties of online services and applications. The most common problem that can affect the Wi-Fi signal includes interference, distance, and obstacles, also your router's misplacement and your outdated router firmware. Now, to address those issues, we often include adjusting your router setting, optimizing the placement, reducing the interference, and upgrade your equipment when necessary. So the location of your router actually plays a crucial role in a signal strength. If you place your router in a corner or tucked it away in a closed space, that means it cannot provide optimal coverage. And it is important to position the router in a central area and elevate it to the maximum coverage. Also keep in mind to upgrade your router's firmware. Many manufacturers offer release firmware update to address bugs, security vulnerability, and improve the performance. So you should regularly update your router's firmware. And if your router is really old and sucks, maybe you should just consider replace it with a new router. And if not, adding additional tools can also be a good option. Now, there are Wi-Fi booster, Wi-Fi extender, and PLC adapter. Those devices can expand the range of your Wi-Fi signal. And adding a wireless access point would be a great choice. It helps enhance the dead zones and provide stronger signal in more areas of your home or office. Now let's do a quick connection on how to add a wireless access point to your router. So now we're going to connect the wireless access point here with our router. And since this is a PoE-enabled wireless access point, that's why we're using the PoE technology. Now, PoE stands for Power over Ethernet. It allows both power and data to be transmitted over a single Ethernet cable, so you can eliminate the need for a separate power unit. And since the router here does not support PoE, that's why we need to add some device to provide the PoE for our edge device. Now, this is a PoE injector. It can inject power to the Ethernet cable. And also, this is a 10 gigabit PoE injector, so you can provide up to 10 gigabit data transfer rates. And here we have a PoE switch. If you're adding multiple devices, I recommend you to use the PoE switch because it can provide multiple PoE ports, and both of them can support the PoE. Now I'm going to use a short patch cord here to connect our router with our PoE injector first. Make sure you plug it in to the input port here with the data, and then using another Ethernet cable to connect with the output port here, and then connect with the wireless access point. And I'm just going to plug it in, and you can see the indicated light is already on. And all we need is a single Ethernet cable. There's no separate power unit required. And next, if you want to use a PoE switch, it's pretty much the same connection. All we need to do is use this to connect with the uplink port of our PoE switch, and then using the Ethernet cable here to connect with the PoE port of our PoE switch. And also here the indicated lights is on, and all we need is a single Ethernet cable. But keep in mind, because PoE technology has a limitation of distance 100 meters. So if you are installing devices that is over 100 meters, you can also add a PoE extender. And here's a video on how to install wireless access point beyond 100 meters if you're interested. And please leave a comment if you have any thoughts on our video. And if you find our video helpful, please like it and share it with the friends or family who might benefit from it. Now, thank you so much for watching us today, and I'll see you next time.